Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about inheritance in Python. When one class inherits from another, it takes on the attributes and methods of the first class. The original class is called the parent class, and the new class is the child class. The child class can inherit any or all of the attributes and methods of its parent class, but it is also free to define new attribute and methods of its own. So when we are writing a new class based on an existing class, we will often want to call the init method from the parent class. This will initialize any attributes that were defined in the parent init method and make them available in the child class. Let's create our parent class car first. We need to type class, and this is our parent class car. And then we have our doc string parent class car. And now we are going to define init method. Self, and it will take make, model, and year. Now we are going to set the instance variable. This will be self dot make set to make, and self dot model value set to model, and self dot year set to year. And now we will have one more method inside this class. It will return these all make, model, and year uh, as a string. So this will be def and get info method. It will take a self reference, and we are going to return full info about the car. Self dot year and self dot make and self dot model. And then at the end, this method return full info about our car. Dot title. We started with our car class. When we create a child class, the parent class must be part of the current file and must appear before the child class in our file. Now we are going to define the child class electric car. And the name of the parent class must be included in parentheses in the definition of our child class. So our child class will be like this: class electric car, and it will take a parent class reference car. So we have here is the name of our parent class, and now we are going to define init method for our child class. This will be def init. You can have a dog string before this. I'm just gonna skip for now for to keep it simple. And over here self and make model here. And here we are going to initialize attribute of the parent class by calling in init method of our parent class. We are going to use a super. Let's see how to use it. Super dot init make model and year. The super function is a special function that allow us to call a method from the parent class. So this line over here tells Python to call the init method from our parent car class, which gives an electric call instance all the attributes defined in that method. The name super comes from a convention of calling the parent class a superclass and the child class a subclass. We can test whether our inheritance is working properly by trying to create an electric car. And now we are going to create an instance of our electric car. This way, oh, we need over here we are going to use eCar to use for the object of our electric car, and this will be electric car with some car name and car model and the year 2020. And now we are going to print the info of our electric car. eCar dot get info and just save it. And after we run our Python program, we get the information printed for our electric car. So in this video, we learned about inheritance in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.